Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'll be showing you how to make your own taco seasoning mix at home. This spice mix comes together quickly, so be sure to watch it till the end. I'll provide you with all the spices and herbs that you'll need to make your taco night delicious. I'll also provide you with a full list of ingredients at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get in the kitchen. In a bowl, combine the following spices. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder with 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Add a half teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of paprika, 1½ teaspoons of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. If you happen to have it on hand, add 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning. Mix all these ingredients until they are completely combined. The ratio for adding to your meat is 1:1, 1 tablespoon to every pound of meat. Add the spice mix to beans or veggies, just use 1 teaspoon. And just like that, you've made your own taco seasoning mix. As promised, I've provided you with a recipe card with the list of ingredients. As a thank you for watching, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Not exactly sure how to cook or set up for taco night? Be sure to watch my ultimate taco night video in my What's for Dinner playlist. Hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to receive our recipe videos. Take care of yourself, precious one. And remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.